you're doing some Chippendales.
Time to break out your singles, cause Jeff Timmons of 98 Degrees just joined the cast of Chippendales in Las Vegas, which means Christmas came early for somebody this year, even though they're Jewish, but we're sure he'll believe in Santa for this.
But he's not stripping.
They asked me to come MC and sing some songs, so I was happy to jump at the opportunity.
That's like if you're in porn and you're just like the waiter.
I think this will disappoint audiences.
Yeah, I'm disappointed after I just watched that. I was literally going to get my ticket. I was, yeah. He's hot.
Sorry, pal, you're just gonna have to settle for this.
Did you ever wear a banana hammock?
No way, man. I might wear one for my wife if she asked me, but never in person. I don't want to lose fans.
Oh, that's funny. Now take off your damn shirt!
You know what's gotta suck for you? That, like, female celebrities get naked all the time, and male celebrities never get naked. Like, if there's a female celebrity that I think is hot, like, there's a 95% chance she's gonna wind up naked somewhere.
It's true. Awesome. We're stuck with, like, Harvey Keitel and Kevin Bacon. That's who gets naked in movies. Like Harvey Keitel on the piano, that's what I have.
That's not true. You also got the Big Blue Wang from Watchmen, the dude in the Crying Game, Jason Segel in Forgetting Sarah Marshall.
A surprise for you.
Point taken. So perhaps it's high time big stars flashed a schlong or two. And no, we're not talking to you, Willem Dafoe. Keep your pants on, for God's sake.
Willem Dafoe. Who wants to see Willem Dafoe naked?
So lead the trail, Jeff, and take it off. You've got nothing to be ashamed of. You were already in 98 Degrees after all, right?
Hey, thanks, man. Appreciate it.